guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe again. So today I was thinking of trying to be more sustainable as much as I can, especially when it's related to fashion, because we all know the amount of waste fashion is creating, and also there are like tons and tons of clothes going to garbage fields every single day, and so it's high time we realize that we need to take a step ahead and try to slow down the process of creating fashion waste. Now there are a lot of different ways in which fashion waste is created, and we won't go too deep into it. You can just research on Google if you want to learn more about it. But we will today, what we are going to be talking about is how to start being a little fashion conscious, not per se totally ditching the whole fashion stuff, because even I can't do that. Like, I love fashion, I love clothes, but I try my bit to help our environment, because we need that. Our planet is going to trash and we need to save it. So we all need to do a little bit to help our planet recover if that is even possible right now. So I have a list over here. I have 5 ways you can start being little fashion conscious as a beginner. So if you just start doing a little bit of these 5 things I'll be telling you today, you might help save our planet a little bit. So without any further ado, let's start being fashion conscious. So the first thing you can do is start being mindful of the kind of fabrics you purchase. Now there are various kinds of fabrics. Even I get confused, and I am good with textiles, and even I get confused as to what is what. And so it is very important to make sure you buy natural fabrics and do not purchase man-made fabrics, because those are the fabrics that do not decompose. They do not get one with the nature once thrown out, such as polyester. There is fake leather, there is suede. Try and purchase fabrics like cotton, linen, all those natural fabrics. Yeah, so be mindful of the kind of fabrics you buy. And it is not only when you go for fabric shopping. Even if you go online shopping for ready-made garments, make sure you check the description or check the tag mentioning the kind of fabric they have used. It all depends on us customers and consumers. If we are not buying a particular material or particular kind of clothing, they won't make any more of it, because that's how demand chain works, right? So yeah, be mindful of. Second thing you can do is try and buy from brands that are fashion conscious themselves. There are tons of brands here in India and all over the globe right now that focus on sustainability, and they produce clothes more in a more sustainable way. You can also go for the route of ethical brands. Now that's an entirely different concept, but it is a good thing to be ethical in this place. It's good to be aware of the ethical part of fashion industry, where people are hardly being paid any wages for the work they do. So it is very important to learn about that as well. But anyways, so yeah, buying clothes from not from the fast fashion brands like H&M, Shein, and blah blah blah. There is a long list for fast fashion brands, but let's not go there. Let's instead divert our path to more sustainable brands, and just Google sustainable brands and you'll find tons of them, and they're doing amazing job. So the third thing I'll recommend you guys to do is try and upcycle your old clothes. For example, if your mom has a sari that she doesn't like anymore, you can get it customized into something else. Maybe a skirt, maybe a top, maybe an entire one piece dress. So use your creativity a bit over there, and even if you have an old jacket and you don't like it anymore, it's outdated, it's out of fashion, maybe you can do some embroidery on it, or patchwork on it. Do something to it to make it more, your personalized style as well. It basically showcases your personality, as well as, it makes you stand out in the crowd. So the fourth point, as I said earlier, you can customize your own garments. If you don't have something that you can upcycle or upgrade, you can simply buy fabrics instead of buying a ready-made garment which you don't know the kind of fabric, or you don't know how, in what conditions the workers have made that garment. So instead you can go for fabrics. You can choose the fabric, you can ask for the particular kind of fabric you want and get it made. It's amazing. It will be great if you go for handloom or natural fabrics. There can be power loom fabrics, but they are not as efficient and good quality as handloom fabrics are. So I would really recommend checking out handloom fabrics. They are a bit expensive because obviously the weaver has put so much, sweat into it, that it has to be expensive. He needs to feed himself and his family, so it is a good ethical thing to do if you go for handloom fabrics. So when you go for this option, you get to see wide variety of fabrics, and you will be amazed by the variety you will find. And then you can go to your local tailor or whomever you trust with your clothes and get it stitched. You can design your own thing, and if you don't even like designing, just get a Pinterest photo, show it to them, they'll get what to do. And it will be customized, it will feel special because it is customized and you have put all this work into it. And yeah, I think it is the best thing to do, because no one in the world will have that top or trousers or whatever. No one in the world will have except you. I'm sorry about my English. The fifth recommendation that I'm giving you might not be easy at all, and that is to literally stop shopping. Okay, we have enough clothes for our entire lifetime and we do not need more. Please, please, please stop it. Now, I personally haven't shopped for around a year or more than a year. I don't exactly recall, but yeah, I haven't shopped literally anything other than necessities like undergarments and stuff. But I haven't shopped a single outfit. Yes, I have bought fabrics and stitched my own garments, but that is what I love and enjoy. But to be honest, I haven't done that much either. But yeah, I haven't bought any ready-made garments in more than a year, and I'm very much proud of it. It isn't easy, trust me, because shopping is like a therapy, and it makes you feel really fulfilled. But it's not the way for our environment. It is difficult, so you might start with decreasing the amount of clothes you buy and gradually go to the point where you only buy when it's really necessary. It's very difficult, but do it for yourself, and you save tons and tons of money doing this, dude. So why not just do it? Clearly, yes, as I said, it will be difficult, but you'll reach there. And yeah, you would have done your part to save the world. So yeah, these were the 5 things I would say you can start doing and slowly incorporate it in your lifestyle and see how it goes. And obviously I wasn't able to do all of this at once. It took me time as well, and I'm sure it will take time for you as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep coming for more. Please subscribe if you like more fashion and lifestyle and beauty related videos. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.